Hi guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you the new app, the new photo app in Windows 11. A lot of people are aware of the photo app in Microsoft Windows from Windows 8 downwards, but there's some improvements that have been given to that particular app that maybe you are not aware of. So I will share with you some of the key features that made it quite improved and efficient in terms of the performance and different features that it provides. So to get to this very simple app, all you need to do is to come over to the start menu over here and just type on photo, and you see it over here, photo app. You just click on it and it opens. So the first thing you see is if you have recently opened photos and images, you see them over here. And at the top over here, this is the collections. You have different albums, then the most recent will be at the top over here, and you have a range of albums that you can get into directly. If you don't have, you can add one, and you can easily do that by clicking on this plus sign, and then you can arrange your photos and videos accordingly. You have people, you can share with people, you can bring in people to work together, and you have different kind of folders in addition to albums. And it's incorporated with a video editor. It has a video editor incorporated in it. So over here you have the option to create a new video project to edit, or you can check from available ones to edit. For example, let's say we are taking on this. Okay, so you have the project library by just merely clicking on the video editor part of the photos app. So you have the project library over here, and you can add any media directly by just clicking on add. You can bring in add media, maybe photo, maybe an image, maybe even a background music. You can bring in, you can undo, you can redo, and you can have different kind of view on the project library. You can have this view medium, or you can have this view small, so depending on you. And over here you have the preview Canva, where you have the video being played. So if you want to just have an overview of this, you just click on this play, and you see over here you can move to the next frame, one frame at a time. This is to previous frame, and you can see the line. You can put it to full screen if you want. And this is a place where you can put custom audio. If you want to put in custom audio, you can easily do that from here. You can share the finished audio to people by just clicking on share, and down here to this three dots you have the option to duplicate a particular project, or to backup, or to bring in different themes, or to change the view from 9:6, 16:9 to maybe 4:3, or you make a portrait on your own. You can customize, and there are a bunch of other settings over here. And then down here you have the option to add a title card, or you can trim, you can split a video, you can add text, you can add motion, you can add 3D effects, but then you have to select that particular video to start that. So you just select this one, for example. So let's say we select this first clip and we want to trim. So this is the trimmer. You have trim selected over here at the top, you can see, and you have the option to move around. You can trim from the beginning, you can trim towards the end also, and you have the length of your video just over here. All right, so you can do many more things. As you are trimming, you can bring in text as well. You can add text to this, different kind of text, you can see them. You have different kind of motion effects that you can bring in. There are so many motion effects that have been now improved and enhanced. You have other 3D effects that you can bring in also, so many 3D effects, and you can bring in, customize, or you can edit an already available one over here. You have filters that you can add different kind of filters, so your video can look quite different. Okay, so you have all these features in the trim option, or in the photo editing option, or in the video editing part of the photo app. So once you are done editing, you can click on done, and it's going to save these features or the changes you have made to this video. Okay, down here you can play with the speed. If you want to modify the playback, you can increase it to faster or smaller. And over here to the last three dots, you can see more options. You can remove all the clips directly. So this is just about the video editing part of the photo app. When you come back, you can see, you can get to the photos, and you can come down here to see your photos, also available photos. Let's say we are taking on this, and once you click on it, the first thing you see that the feature, the entire app has been greatly improved in that now it opens very fast and much more professional. So down here you have the list of photos that you have available, right? Photos or medias that you have. You can bring in different kind of media, and you can zoom in here, you can zoom out, you can redo and undo, you can edit a particular image from here. Once you just click on this, you have the option to edit so many things. You can crop down here, you can reduce the size, you can crop accordingly, and you can straighten a particular photo, you can rotate, you can flip, you can change the aspect ratio also. You can change it to any aspect ratio you choose, and you can see the different kind of filters that we have over here. You can click to change the filter accordingly. Okay, you can change the filter to this or to this, or you can play around with the lighting, okay, clarity and other brightness. You can put the red eye, you can do spot fix and all this. You can undo and redo and many more things. So let's say we undo this, and we can come back to the photos. Down here you have a bunch of things you can redo. You can edit photo. We've just shown how to edit photo, and you can write, okay, you can draw on the photo. Once you click on it, you have a bunch of other things as well. You can use pen to write, you can use pencil to write, you can do calligraphy also. You have the eraser, for example. We are using pen and we write, and you can use the eraser to erase it, and you have the option to do calligraphy as well. And then once you're done editing, you can always save your photo from here. Okay, so down here you have the option to delete or to bring in to add this to your favorite photos. You can easily do that. And to these three dots, you have a bunch of options over here. You can save a photo, you can print it and you copy it to clipboard and paste it somewhere within another document, maybe Microsoft Word. You can resize, you can set this as your background or as a lock screen, and you can put in slideshow, you can view actual size, you can do more editing in 3D effects. A lot of features have been added to this small app called the photo app. Okay, you can share, you can check out the other settings as well from here. So much to edit, so much to learn from this app. If you've not explored it before, try it now, because a lot has been changed, a lot has been improved from the recent improvement in the Windows 11. So if you have Windows 11, try this app and see the wonders you can do in terms of photo and video editing. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit about the photo app in Windows 11. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Always remember to hit the like button and subscribe button to keep enjoying videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.